how to fix Teams cannot delete chat. To fix the Teams cannot delete chat issue, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and launch the Teams application and then find yourself that exact chat from the chat option. Now, once you find the chat itself, go ahead and long press it. Now you will find the delete button from the pop-up menu. Go ahead and tap on this and once again tap delete to reconfirm it and your chat will be deleted. And if this option is not showing up or if there is an issue despite deleting, it is not deleting from your chat menu, all you have to do is make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and then open your device's app drawer or app gallery. Long press the Teams application icon, then tap on this I option to access the app info panel. Scroll down and you'll find the storage and cache. Now you simply have to go ahead and proceed to clear the cache and relaunch the application and your problem should be fixed.